Okay, so you can tell me some of examples, like what is something that you do in your present but most of the people don't, or what is something that most of the people do in the present but you don't. Okay, like I strongly believe in God. I strongly believe in God, but most of the people don't. Something like you can say, like I strongly believe in science. I strongly believe in, but most of the people don't. My friend fears of ghost. My friend fears of ghost, but I don't. The birds fly in the sky every day. The birds fly in the sky, but we don't. Okay, they say he doesn't eat fast food. He doesn't eat fast food, but you do. But you do. Something like this you can say. My friend always wears expensive clothes. My friend always wears expensive clothes, but I don't. But I don't. What is something?
I believe in God, Shiva, but you don't.
But you don't. Okay, like you can also say, I do not tell my secrets to anyone. I do not tell my secrets to, but most of the stupid people do. Most of the stupid people, like you can also say that, like most of the people do not touch their relatives' feet when they meet them, but I still do. But I still do. Something like also you can say, like most of the people do not believe in learning. Most of the people do not believe in learning, but I always do. But I always do. Like most of the people fear of failures. Most of the people fear of failures, but I never. But I never. Like most of the people do not take risk in their life. Most of the people do not take a risk in their life, but you can say that I do. That I do. So many things you can talk about. People fear of failures. People fear of failures, but I don't. But I. People actually fear of making mistakes. People fear of making mistakes, but I never. But I never. Like most of the people do not make mistakes. Most of the people do not make mistakes, but I always. But I. People do not learn from their mistakes. People do not learn from their, but I do. But I do. People do not learn from their past. People do not learn from their, but I do. Most of the people do not like difficult task. Most of the people do not like but I do. Something like this you can say. Like most of the people like simple task. Most of the people like a simple task, but I don't. Most of the people follow others. Most of the people follow others these days, but you can say that I don't. Like most of the people think that Bollywood actors are real heroes. Bollywood actors are real heroes, but I don't. क्या है ऐसा जो बाकी लोग करते हैं आप नहीं करते हो, या आप करते हो बाकी लोग नहीं करते हैं? What is something? Like I go with my friends. I go with my friends to do adventurous things. To do adventurous things, but you can say that most of the people don't. Most of the people like I always try to learn new skills. I always try to learn new skills, but you can say that most of the people don't. They say these days most of the people smoke, but you can say that I don't. Okay.
I make a coffee every day, but most of the people don't.
जैसे someone can say that my mother cooks very delicious food. My mother cooks very, or my mother cooks very tasty food, but my father doesn't. But my father doesn't. Something like also, I always try to solve my problems myself. I always try to solve my problems, but most of the people don't. I do not take the help of anyone. I do not take the help of anyone to solve my problems. but most of the people do. When I get angry, when I get angry, I read a lot. I read but most of the people don't. But most of the people, you can say like when I get upset, when I get I babble. I babble, but most of the people don't. Babble का मतलब बड़बड़ाना होता है जैसे कि like when I am angry, when I am or when I feel angry, I make mistakes. I make mistakes, but most of the people don't. I always try to help a needy person, but not a greedy person. Not a, but most of the people do. Like also you can say that I like making breakfast. I like making breakfast for me myself, but most of the people don't. Something like this. Like when I feel alone, when I feel I go to kitchen and make something for me and make something, but I don't think so most of the people do this thing. Like whenever I have a doubt, I always try to clear my doubt. I always try to clear my, but most of the people don't. But most of the people, I search so many questions on Google every day. I search so many questions on Google every day, but most of the people don't. Like you can say like whenever I get free time, whenever I get I watch animated movies. I watch animated movies, but you can say like most of the people don't. Most of the people like you can also say I like wearing formal clothes. I like wearing formal clothes, but you can say that most of the people don't. My all friends light crackers. My all friends light crackers on Diwali festival, but I don't. But most of my friends celebrate Holi. Most of my friends celebrate Holi every year or play with colors every year, but I don't. Jैसे you make noise. You make a noise while eating food, but I don't. But most of the people consume water just after having food. Most of the people consume water just after having, but I don't. But most of the people do not utilize their free time. Most of the people do not utilize their free time, but I always do. Like most of the politicians do not speak English, do not speak but Lalu Prasad Yadav ji does. What is something? So many things you can talk about actually. Like most of the states government do not provide mobiles or laptops. Do not provide mobiles or laptops for students, but our government does. But our government does. Most of the teachers do not even think to improve their methods. Do not even think to improve their methods, but I always do. But I always do. Like most of the teachers do not use some good examples to explain their students. But I always do this thing. What is something that most of the people do in their life regularly, irregularly or habitually, but you don't? Or what is something that you do in your present regularly, irregularly or habitually, but most of the people don't? What is something? You can say that I always decorate my room myself. I always decorate my room myself, but most of the people don't. Like Usain Bolt runs faster than a car. Usain Bolt runs faster than a, but most of the people don't. Like people do not read a lot. People do not read a lot to become knowledgeable. But you can say that I do. But I do. An AC maintains the room temperature. An AC maintains the room temperature, but a fan doesn't. But a fan doesn't. Like some animals give us very useful products. Some animals give us very useful products, but few of animals don't. or but some of animals don't.